guys, we've got another new product in. The bumper canards around the vents on the Abarth. So we're doing them in gloss black and gloss red. So I'm going to fit the gloss black one today. So as always, primers at the ready. We've also got us a little heater because it's cold today, so obviously everything wants to be warm, and we'll warm up the glue. Pretty important that you warm everything up when it's cold, and obviously dry the primers off before applying. So don't get these on anything that you don't want sticking, basically, because it'll leave like a dull surface on the. So you're just basically going to eye up where it glues on, which is obviously all that inner section of that. So you can see there, that's all the glue, so you're just going to rub that on there. And on there, round that in a bit. We'll just let that tack off, speed it up a little bit. So you can get these on our website, www.KillAllChrome.com. So it's just enough just to, you can sort of feel when it goes tacky there. So as always with anything like this, test fit first. So obviously be happy where you're going to stick it. So you can see there, you want to get it, so obviously this is a perfect example because it's white. Obviously you don't want to be seeing anything through there. You want to make sure that everything's sort of flush and touching. So obviously that'll fit just there. So we'll go ahead, always rub down this tape first, just so you're not going to pull the tape off the actual product before you've started. Just make sure that's it, and again warm it up so you get a good adhesion. This is probably the trickiest bit of the job. Obviously if you get any bits that fold over or anything, make sure you flatten them out because you don't want it to make a difference. Like 1 mil, half a mil, however thick they are, will obviously make a difference of where it sits on there. You need a blade. Wait, is that one? So you can see there where it's lifted up, just make sure they're down. Static. And again, just before you fit it, just run the heater over that bit there. Right then. So I'm gonna work to this edge here because that's the bit that's going to be most important. So you can see, just want it on the edge, so that pushes in there. Obviously all I've done is just tacked that basically, I've not rubbed it down, and then just make sure your top's lined up. Have a look from all angles to make sure, and then once you're in, you can start to press it all down. And that's basically it, guys. So you can, like I say, you can get these on our website, www.KillAllChrome.com. Loads of Abarth bits on there. Have a look, keep liking, subscribing and sharing, etc. Till next time.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.